keeps cold across the sand. I clutch the ring upon my hand. He sailed at dawn when it's so fine. Now the sea keeps what once was mine. Oh, my love, where have you gone? The waves sing low their morning song. I stand outside our croft all day, praying you'll come home this way. The gulls still cry where your laughter played. Your boots lie by the door unswayed. The hearth grows cold, the bairns still weep, while you lie in the brae asleep. Oh, my love, where have you gone? The waves sing low their morning song. I stand outside our croft all day, praying you'll come home this way. The storm came swift, the sea took all, and no lantern burned to mark your call. But still I watch the endless foam, hoping it will bring ye home. Oh, my love, where have you gone? The waves sing low their morning song. I wait beside the shore each day, till death or ye takes me She stands upon the cliffside, the heather at her feet. Two wee bairns beside her, their hearts too small to beat. Behind smoke of all she's known. Before her lies the ocean, a dark road of her own. Across the water, far from the pain, chasing a future through sorrow and rain. The highlands are weeping, the pipes softly cry, but she'll sail with her bairns 'neath the wide foreign sky. The Jacobite dream broken, the redcoats took their toll. The glens are emptied, silence echoes through her soul. She whispers to her children, hold fast, don't be afraid. We'll find a land of plenty where no rent is paid. Across the water, far from the pain, chasing a future through sorrow and rain. The highlands are weeping, the pipes softly cry, but she'll sail with her bairns 'neath the wide foreign sky. The gulls wheel above her, the tide pulls her near. The journey is peril, but the choice is clear. One last look behind her, the cliffs and the moor. Then onward to the harbor, to a far distant shore.